This beautiful Fisker just pulled to the shop. About to be doing some ambient lighting. Let's check out the Buford. Gonna be doing them on the doors, dash, and a couple of other places. We already did a starlight headliner a few years ago. Still looking good. About to go and get started. Stay tuned. All right, let's take a look at the finished product of the Fisker. Got the ambient lights on the doors. Little accent light. Ambient lights on the dash. Starlight headliner, of course. We all done. All right, this video is for everybody that was asking, does it change colors? It has multicolor feature. Also, you can set it on any color you want. Right now, we just got it on the rainbow feature.